Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here in Springfield, Massachusetts, and as I was driving through, I went through so many different colleges and universities, and I thought to myself, does it make sense for you as a student, once you graduate, to leave that school and go back home or go wherever it is you're planning to do so? And truthfully, in my opinion, I think you just wasted 4 years if you did that. I think when you go to college, it's the opportunity to experience, to network, to socialize, and also to learn about that specific area. So you just spent 4 years working, educating yourself, living in the neighborhood, meeting the people, getting to see the flow of things, and then poof, you're gonna disappear and go back home? To me, that's a step backwards. And I stayed. That's why I'm partial in this opinion. I stayed in Providence, Rhode Island once I graduated from Johnson & Wales University. I felt that it was the natural progression to do. I came from a small blue-collar town, Naugatuck, Connecticut, very humble beginnings. I moved to Providence. I interned at the state police. I worked at a gym. Okay, I was a wedding DJ. I did all sorts of weird things. I even was a model, believe it or not. A lot of people don't believe me, but it's true. And afterwards, I said, I just built all of this foundation, all of this experience. Why would I go back home? And look, 7 years later, own rental property, vice president of a nationwide franchise that started just up the road in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. So I got very lucky, but I played the cards to the best of my ability. And so should you. If you go to college in a nice urban area, you should highly consider staying there once you leave, because your chances of success are much greater. And if you go back home, you might get caught in a rut and do the same old thing you were doing before. Alrighty? So once again, Greg from Nexus Property Management, here in the land of homes, Springfield, Massachusetts.